Good morning, dear students. Today we will start lesson 13, Transmitting Knowledge. In this chapter, you will learn about the evolution and development of written languages, means how people started writing language, about the invention of paper and the printing press, and about the origin of numbers, how numbers were started. In the olden times, knowledge was passed from one generation to other through word of mouth or oral communication. There was nothing written, everything was passed from one generation to other generation through word of mouth or through oral communication. Even students were taught in gurukuls through oral communication only. There was no notebook, nothing to be written. Only oral communication was there. Every instruction was given orally. And students used to learn whatever their teacher used to teach them. The only problem was that knowledge could not be passed to a large number of people at the same time. What was the problem? That this knowledge could not be passed to many people at the same time. Then early humans started to draw pictures on the walls of caves. It was during this time that knowledge began to be recorded. Then humans started recording knowledge. Gradually, as time passed, smoke signals and drum beats were used for communication. Then people started using smoke signals and drum beats. It was much later that human beings started using pigeons to send messages to far off lands. And after a long time, people started sending their messages through pigeons. They started writing their messages on a piece of paper and they used to send these messages through using pigeons to far off lands, very far off places. Horsemen were also trained to carry messages from one place to another. There were horsemen, people who used to ride horses. They were also trained to carry messages, to pass the messages from one place to another. Let us read about how languages were developed and how written records came into existence, means how we started writing and how we started keeping written records. Earliest written records. The earliest written records were in the form of pictures. Early humans drew pictures of animals and hunting scenes on rocks and walls of caves. First of all, early humans, those who are called Adi Manav also, they drew pictures. They started drawing pictures of animals and hunting scenes on rocks or on the walls of caves. This form of communication is called pictographic communication, and this form is called pictographic communication. These pictures depicted their actions, feelings and thoughts, and through these pictures they showed their actions and how did they feel and how did they think. The Sumerians of Mesopotamia, present day it is Iraq, earlier it was known as Mesopotamia. So the people who were called Sumerians, they were from Mesopotamia. They were first to develop the art of writing. So first of all, who started writing? Who developed the art of writing? Sumerians, who belong to Mesopotamia. The Egyptians developed a script called the hieroglyphics, and Egyptians were people belonging to Egypt, and they developed a script. What is a script? a set of letters used to write a language. Like for Hindi, we used Devanagari script. So the Egyptians developed a script called the hieroglyphics. So this script used pictures to represent objects which conveyed meanings. So hieroglyphics used pictures to represent objects which conveyed meanings. For example, the picture of a man shooting an animal indicated hunting. So this picture is indicating hunting. Let us read about how scripts were developed. Script. As time went on, pictures were replaced by symbols. As the time passed, these pictures were replaced by symbols. Now people started using symbols. The Sumerians made wedge shaped symbols on wet clay tablets, which were later hardened by baking. So, Sumerians started making symbols on clay tablets. The tablets were made of clay, and later on they were hardened by baking them in the fire. This form of writing came to be known as cuneiform script. This is cuneiform script. The Indus Valley civilization had its own script. Indus Valley civilization, its marks are found in India and it is known as the oldest civilization. So, Indus Valley civilization had its own script, but this script has not been understood by language experts. Language experts are not able to understand Indus Valley civilization script till date. They are trying to read it, but they are not able to understand. So, this is Indus Valley civilization. This is a seal found from Indus Valley civilization. Later, the Brahmi script was developed. It was much later that the Devanagari script came into existence. Devanagari script, we use Devanagari script for writing Hindi. So Hindi is written in Devanagari script. The South Indian languages have been written in the Dravidian script. What is the script for South Indian languages? Dravidian. Next, Louis Braille developed a script called the Braille. Braille is a script for people who could not see. The people who are blind, for them, Braille script is used, and it was developed by Louis Braille, who himself was a blind person. The Braille script consists of raised dots on paper which are read by running the fingers lightly over them. Braille script is read with the touch of hands, with the touch of fingers, because the impression, the symbols of the language, they are raised, they are raised dots. We can touch them. If you will close your eyes, you can touch the symbols of Braille script. So it is a boon for the people who are not able to see. So that's all for today, dear children. See you in the next lecture.